Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new app called Edge. Basically, this app is from Microsoft, and Microsoft has now going to release this app for Android as well. Basically, it's a browser just like Chrome. Okay, so the Edge is a new thing that basically came in with Windows 10, and for Microsoft, it's a new browser that's totally different from the traditional one, the Internet Explorer one. Right. So let's go and see how this basically the browser look like. All right. So let's go check in. This basically Edge how starts in. So the first page is basically going to be the MSN.com Microsoft page, basically a news page where you get daily news. Right, it's more similar like less similar like the Chrome one. All right, so there's not a big difference. They have given the navigations on the bottom of the screen, like if you want to go back or you want to just want to add new tabs, right? So and if you want to bookmark something, upper right corner, there's a star button with three dashes. This is basically the bookmarks where you can see all the bookmarks which you have done. All right, your favorites, basically your reading list. All right, so the books you have seen. Coming, it says coming soon. Read on the go. Here's where you find all the books you get from the Microsoft Store. All right, so basically it's a history where you can see the history or downloads you want to see. All right, so let's close this and see. And the look, the first look, the initial page is more or less same like the Google Chrome one for the Android. Basically it's uh, I'm comparing this on the Android Chrome. So basic look is same, where there's a search bar with a microphone where you can wisely through search anything. Right, there's a barcode reader next to it. Right, just scroll up, you will see the news. All the news you might be seeing on MSN.com. It will be on the go. Right, there are two navigations. First is if you want to go back. Second one is if you want to go forward. The right next to it is basically the sign in option where you sign in. Right, just sign in. It will start. Or it's just like you can instantly see your things on your PC. Right, just like you have made a list of your bookmarks or favorites, reading list across your devices, or either it's a Windows phone or where you have signed in with the same ID, and on the other desktop versions as well. So if you sign in, you're good to go. All right. So, and this is a basically a tabs where you can see tabs, normal tabs, or in private one if you have anything in private, you're doing anything in private. All right. So okay, just sign in as a private. All right, that's it. All right, there's a plus button. There's a plus button on the lower right corner. And this basically, if you want to add a new tab, just tap in, and you will see the new tab. Right. So I just sign in as a private, and my notification says close all the private tabs. Is same as Chrome. If you have seen it. All right, the three dots basically gives you the option if you want to sign in, new tab, if you want to go to settings and feedback, bookmark it, reading list, or you want to share it. Right. This is basically a browser from Microsoft that is going to be released for for the Android versions. I don't know if they are giving it for iOS as well. If they are, that's really good. They are getting into the competitive market. All right, guys, that's it. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe.